Hey guys, it's Shamar and welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to Today is Saturday, January 18th, and I am hosting my first girls' night at my apartment. So I figured I will vlog. Why is my battery dying? And I just picked up the vlog. Anyways, you guys, before this battery dies, I just want to get on here, start off the vlog before everything gets crazy. It's around 7:30 right now, so the girls are not gonna be over until like 11 because it is a Saturday night. Some of them are working, so I'm waiting till they get off work. So in the meantime, I'm going to be getting my apartment together. I bought food that I'm cooking. I'm gonna try to set it up really cute, nothing too crazy because it's the first one and they didn't know what they wanted to do. I didn't know what to do, so I'm just gonna do my best to try to make it cute. Why am I yelling? Why are you yelling, Shamar? I don't know, but I'm gonna try my best to make it cute. I got some wine. The other girls are bringing some wine as well. I'm gonna cook some brown stew chicken and white rice. Not no rice and peas because it is too late to cook that right now. But yeah, I'm waiting on baby to come home and help me season up that meat. Yo, the meat was supposed to have been seasoned from this morning, but Tavares wanted us to go wash our cars, so I just went out to wash the car, and then I had to run to Walmart to pick up some stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to start off the vlog, say hey girl, hey. Hey girl, hey. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun night. I'm so excited to be hosting my first girls night. I'm gonna be doing this more often, so yeah, stay tuned. I don't know if it's gonna be lit, I don't know if it's gonna be chill, I just know we're gonna have fun. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy P to the I to the C to the O.
Oh, I like that.
Pico. You feel me? I'm in this thing.
Do not put me on camera.
Baby over here, she's getting ready for girls' night. And I'm about to head out and have myself a boys' night. What? My boys. If y'all see me at your local club, strip club, performing live in effect, just know I was there just giving them a slight drip. Nah, but I'm about to head out though, hang out with one of my close friends, and we just gonna vibe up, man. Hopefully they don't break down the fucking house. You know what? As a matter of fact, let me leave y'all a note. This is what we're gonna do here. Okay? They can see. Do not. What I don't want them to do, y'all. Fuck up my crib. Period. Y'all see the period? Not that one, but this one right. Period. Excuse my French, but we're gonna put some emphasis under it. And that's just that right there. We're gonna leave this right here, okay? When everybody come to the house, baby, you bring them to the sign that says from Pico. Alright? You bring them to the sign. The vlog gonna know if you did or not. I want you to vlog their ass coming individually to this sign.
Individually to first.
First one, do not fuck up my crib. Second one, do not fuck up my crib. Third one, do not fuck up my crib. Period. Period. Period right there. Alright, I gotta go. I'll catch up with y'all probably in the next vlog. Probably won't be in this vlog at all. She wanted me to be in here for now, so I'm here. And that's about it, so catch up with y'all later.
Whew. Okay, you guys. So I'm back. As you can see, I done went and freshened up. I just threw on some Spanx, my house shoes, bralette, and I threw this hat back on. I had a head tie on, but I didn't like how it looks. I threw this hat back on because my lace is not laid. Okay, honey, it's not laid. I don't really have makeup on, but I put on lip gloss and eyelashes. But enough of that. I'm waiting for the girls. I went ahead and finished cooking, so the kitchen is back clean. I have the food that I made over here, and then this was my little setup. I know baby kind of showed you guys a little bit, but I wanted to do more stuff. Like I wanted to get you know, it's Valentine's Day around the corner, so I was gonna get cookies and cupcakes, but I ended up not having time to pick them up. So I told the girls they could bring some, but I don't know what they're bringing, so whatever they bring I will add to this. But I have these popcorn things, shot glasses and cups, wine glasses for the wine. I have popcorn that I'm gonna pop, but I don't want them sitting out because that would be some stale ass popcorn. And I got carrot cake from Publix. So yeah, the house is all clean. Let me show you guys. I also did some new stuff to the living room that I haven't really showed y'all, but the house is all clean and nice. I know you guys are gonna ask me, Shamar, when are we getting the furnished apartment tour? Y'all, it is not done. I literally am still buying stuff as I go. There's so much missing. There's so much missing. So I guess I will show you guys. I mean, I'm not hiding the apartment. I'll show you guys little by little, but it's nowhere done. So yeah, anyways, enough of me rambling. I'm probably just gonna sit here and take a minute because I've been on go. I worked this morning and I've been on go getting ready for this. Had to clean up the house and stuff. Anyway, so I'm probably gonna sit down. I want to start drinking a glass of wine. Oh shit, I don't have wine opener. I gotta go text one of them. So I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit, okay, when the girls get here. But it's about to be a lit night. I don't know, is it gonna be lit? I don't know. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, but I don't know, lit, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit, okay? It's 11:11. Make a wish. Yo, this girl always come with a whole bag of stuff. This is the extras.
Hey y'all. Decorations and pre-set.
Before can I give y'all a tour? So welcome to my house. I got the extra. So over here you have the over here you have the YouTube work beauty area that ain't nowhere near done.
Don't worry, I see the vision.
You know what I'm saying? So
I see the vision.
just picture it, right?
It's fine.
Pink shelves,
Right,
pictures.
I see the
Yes.
You got that.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. And then, you know, we're gonna transfer over to the living room that, you know, it's coming along, but it's missing something.
Yeah.
You know? Oh, we need a new couch. And then you have the famous kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, where all the 3 videos that we made of cooking.
Okay.
This is where it goes down. And then we're gonna take it all over to the hallway. Don't mind this.
So what's this?
Okay. Oh, this is just the closet.
Okay,
You know?
gotcha.
And then we have
Oh, this nice.
the bathroom. You know.
It's big. It's a nice little facility. I can take a nice little dump in here. Can I touch this? Or stuff happens on here.
Ooh. I cleaned it.
I'm scared.
I cleaned it. And then we have our bedroom where the magic happens. Yeah.
Exactly.
Magic tricks.
Don't YouTube ask you if kids watching.
I'm talking about magic tricks. You know, kids love magic tricks. Now I'm sending all of their asses over there to the fridge. Caitlin already saw it.
Wait, what? What ring?
It's right here. It's right here.
What's on it? Ring every time we get together. Oh, don't fuck up my crib.
So, baby.
Bitch, it's my house too now. I'm about to catch the fuck up, bitch.
Natalie, what's she writing?
No, fuck you.
Oh my god. Okay, so everybody grab their wine and we're gonna go over to the couch.
Okay, so I don't know my feet.
You don't want no wine? Try that one.
Moscato.
It's in the fridge.
I need some sweet. Yeah, that was not.
This should get me drunk too fast. That's why I wasn't trying to pull it out yet.
That one gets you drunk fast?
Yes! This is my go-to when it's time to get sexy time, baby. So we have like 3 bottles of wine. This is of course my favorite. It didn't pop. That one
You
just
never
popped.
had what's the other brand? Not Barefoot, the other one. Shutter Home.
I like Barefoot.
Sponsor me. Shutter Home.
I thought thought it was shuttle.
Now that she's of age.
We never call off of work, ladies. Ever.
We need the money. Unless you gotta go on vacation.
Exactly. I look crusty and dusty.
Alright, y'all on my fridge right now, so y'all can get everybody. So we gonna chill. Alright, let me finish this. What's up? Chugging?
You're not getting
Caitlin, where your glass? It's currently occupied. Here, pour it out. No, we're not wasting anything. Oh my gosh.
Alright. Guys, let's be serious. It's wine.
Wine gets me drunk.
Yeah, but like after like a whole bottle and a half.
It goes back to my coochie.
Taurus! You know how she get when she drunk? They look on each other.
Do this renegade TikTok thing.
Called renegade, or if you can.
Wait, start over.
Whatever you
No,
want.
he didn't do nothing.
Step. The first thing we're gonna do is the walk.
You want to train it? I grabbed
You
them.
want
I
to
like
say,
this one.
open your hands, hold up, and then
Hold
you
up.
want to say and prep. So we did.
Oh,
Whoa.
Then we
I don't think Caitlin knew.
hold up, and then prep. And try that one more time. Back. One more time. Back. 6, 7,
It's us
8.
bumping.
8. Back. 6, 7, 8. We go here. Whoop. Whoop. Get ready for the weight. Whoop. 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 Bring it in. Whoop. Up and down. And wait. Short kind of part. So just try that.
Okay, so now we're gonna try. Okay. Yeah. I remember. Oh shit. Oh. I'm not ready. Bitch, what the
Hell no.
Wait. Go. Go. Got one. Go. Go. Oh, yeah.
What people do different? Alright, fuck that shit. We're doing our own shit.
At this point, that shit is a fail.
No, seriously, why do we have to do that? We can't do something else? So all of us just do your own stuff. Everybody and then we're but who does that to the renegade? You have to know the dance. And everybody just, I don't know how to TikTok.
Give up on the TikTok, and we're just gonna do the live because that's my song.
They really gonna be like, whoa. They be like, no. My edges are lifted. My edges are it's over here. All right, shut up. Yeah.
Nothing. Not a lick.
Father God, I'm
Not a lick.
I thought he was going to spin a check. Yeah.
She didn't say nothing about the money. Nothing about the money.
You didn't see it. People tuning into phone.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, baby, you look cute.
To buy G every weekend. Take me to Boo's crib because that's what you
Exactly.
fuck. I'm hungry. I want to eat. And you want to talk? Let's talk over some food. You should have. Just because you got the same last name. Just because we're related. Just because I came out of your daughter. Or whatever the fuck the case may be. You know what? She said grandma. She said grandma.
No, to the boys.
No,
grandma.
oh, the boys' grandma.
I was like, what is this bitch? And I first was like, hold on. I'm like, same last name, she like this. I'm not married. I didn't want to say it.
I was like, is this bitch really that drunk? Are you sleeping?
I'm ready to get the fuck out. Cause I gotta wake up early.
It is currently 5:30. What?
You know, 1 month.
Update, baby came home. He's in the room. I just made him a bowl of cereal. Some time flies by when you're having fun. What you said, Jerka?
Even the wig flying by. Whoa.
We talk so dang much.
You know, like to the point I lost my voice, y'all. I sound like a man.
I made them tea and all.
TikTok. Let me show y'all what I learned tomorrow.
Okay, go. Renegade, renegade, renegade,
What was after that?
renegade. Then hands.
It's literally 6 in the morning. So, renegade, renegade.
And then clap. Oh yeah, clap, the clap. Caitlin, good job, Caitlin.
This, it was this.
Uh-huh.
You see, I versus clap.
Make sure that you guys
Just
like,
moral stories.
That's all she know, y'all.
That's the thing. That's the thing. Alright, I'm gonna head out.
Alright, I'm gonna fuck with you. I'm so not tired. I don't know what's wrong with me.
Oh no.
Tomorrow I'm gonna sleep when I need to get up and go to
Left
church.
my phone. You almost had a new phone. Seriously.
Anyways, I think that wraps up tonight's vlog. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I look tired, but I'm not tired. I'm about to go pop these eyelashes off, take this wig off my head, and head to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.